今年9月份，中小学要学会做饭，今天我就来打个样。
At a restaurant in Wuxi City, East China's Jiangsu Province, Jiarui spends most of her spare time here. The owner and chef of this restaurant is her father's son Yadong. Under her father's guidance, Jiarui learns cooking with great facility. She can rotate a 2 kilograms iron wok easily over a burning flame. Even the fancy ladle swinging skill is a piece of cake for her. In 10 minutes, a scrambled eggs with leek and a fish-flavored shredded pork are ready.
尝尝自己炒的，给自己一个评价。
正好。
好，这个量是慢慢摸索的，是啥呢？一开始咸了淡了，自己多尝多炒，慢慢就懂了，是不是？
这失败过吗？
有呀，第一次糊了。
哪个菜炒糊？
这个。
为什么会炒糊呢？那个
火太大了，因为我那时控制不了火，所以呢容易给它炒糊。
他喜欢，对他喜欢呢，他就缠着我要学炒菜呀。他说等以后我学会了，我给你们做饭，因为你们太辛苦了。
写完作业就有空的话，就去向我爸爸学几道菜，50、60道吧。小炒我基本上都会了。
After over 2 years learning, Jiarui can cook skillfully over 50 types of dishes. His father's son Yadong also recorded on his phone her daughter's growth those days and posted the videos on the internet, garnering many likes unexpectedly. The little cook Jiarui is also given a nickname on the internet, the real cooking master girl.